Welcome back to our cybersecurity series. Today's video tackles the intricate subject of social engineering, delving into both the theory and the hands-on coding of tools used for phishing, baiting, and other manipulative attacks. This complex field requires a combination of psychology and technology, and today we'll explore both. So buckle up, and let's dive right in. Section 1: Deep Dive into Social Engineering. Social engineering attacks manipulate people into divulging confidential information. Unlike brute force or vulnerability exploitation, social engineering leverages human psychology. Let's explore some prominent examples. 1. Phishing. Definition: this involves fake emails mimicking legitimate organizations to steal information. Code: let's craft a more advanced phishing email with Python, using embedded links and images. Here's a description of the code line by line. Import SMTPlib imports the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP) module, which is used to send emails using Python. From email.mime.multipart import MIME_multipart imports the MIME multipart class from the email library, allowing for the creation of email messages with multiple parts like plain text or HTML. From email.mime.text import MIME_text imports the MIME text class, which is used to create the text components of an email, both plain and HTML. Definite send_phishing_email to _email defines a function named send_phishing_email that takes one argument, the recipient's email address. From _email equals fake@example.com sets the sender's email address. MSG equals MIME multipart alternative creates a MIME multipart object with subtype alternative. This allows the email client to choose the best part of the email to display like plain text or HTML. MSG subject equals important security update sets the subject line of the email. MSG from equals from _email sets the from field of the email using the previously defined from _email variable. MSG to equals to _email sets the to field of the email with the recipient's email address passed to the function. A multi-line HTML string is assigned to the HTML variable. This HTML code defines the appearance of the email and contains a link to a fake URL. Part equals MIME text creates an HTML MIME text object using the HTML string so it can be attached to the email. MSG.attach attaches the HTML MIME text object to the MIME multipart object, making it part of the email. S equals SMTPlib.smtp creates an SMTP client session object using the local host as the server. This assumes an SMTP server is running on the local machine. S.sendMail sends the email using the sendMail method. The email is converted to a string using msg.as_string. S.quit ends the SMTP session by closing the connection to the server. Although it's a simplified example, it's still essential to note that these techniques must only be used for ethical and legal activities, such as security testing with proper authorization. 2. Baiting. Baiting deceives users into downloading malware disguised as useful software. Here's a script to craft a baiting URL leading to a fake download page. From Flask import Flask, redirect imports the Flask class and the redirect function from the Flask web framework. Flask is used to create web applications, and the redirect function helps in redirecting the user to a different URL. App equals Flask __name__. Here, an instance of the Flask class is created and assigned to the variable app. The __name__ argument helps Flask determine the root path for the application, allowing it to locate related files like templates. At app_root, free software, this line is a decorator that associates the following function with the URL path free software. When a user navigates to this URL on the web application, the associated function will be executed. Definite baiting_attack, this line defines a Python function called baiting_attack. This function will be executed when a user accesses the free software URL. Return redirect http://malicious.example.com/download. This line uses the redirect function to send the user to the URL http://malicious.example.com/download . The URL would presumably be a malicious download page, as indicated in the comment. By returning the result of the redirect function, Flask will send an HTTP 302 response to the client's browser, instructing it to go to the specified URL. If __name __equals __main __, this is a common Python idiom that checks whether the script is being run directly, as opposed to being imported as a module. If the script is being run directly, the code block following this line will be executed. App.run, this line starts the Flask development server, allowing the application to accept incoming requests on the default port, 5000. The server will continue running until manually stopped, handling requests as defined by the associated root functions, such as baiting_attack. Again, it is crucial to note that this example is for educational purposes and must not be used for unethical or illegal activities. Ethical considerations and defenses. Social engineering is a formidable attack vector that relies on human error rather than technical flaws. Therefore, defenses center around education, awareness, and behavioral change. Here are key areas to focus on. User education. Continuously educate users about the dangers of unexpected emails, links, or offers. Multi-factor authentication. Implementing MFA can mitigate the risk, even if credentials are compromised. Regular testing. Conduct regular security awareness tests, including simulated phishing or pretexting attacks. In this video, we've delved deep into the world of social engineering, touching on psychological manipulation, technical tools, and ethical defense strategies. We've seen how Python can be utilized to craft these complex attacks and also how to build defenses against them. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative content. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share.